Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about Camco's RV freshwater blowout plugs. When winterizing your RV, leftover water in the RV plumbing can dilute the antifreeze, making it less effective, putting your pipes at risk of freezing and potentially bursting. Camco's RV freshwater blowout plugs provides a quick and easy way to remove the water from your RV's plumbing. And it's easy to use. First, drain your water lines as much as possible. When water is no longer flowing, make sure all faucets are open. Thread the blowout plug into your RV's city water inlet. Attach an oilless compressor and turn on at a low setting, slowly increasing the pressure. Do not exceed 50 psi. Once your lines are empty, remove the blowout plug. To reach the hot water lines, use a bypass water heater kit to connect your cold water lines to your hot water lines. Camco's blowout plugs come in 4 different styles. We have a brass with quick connect, a brass with a Schrader valve, a plastic with a Schrader valve, and a standard plastic blowout plug that can be used with a Schrader-style air pump attachment. If you don't have one of Camco's RV freshwater blowout plugs, you should get one today.
Camco.net.